Here we have our grid line tape. This is used on balances hung by medallions, which are very popular today. Considering the workroom and the designer determine how the treatment should look and where the medallion should be positioned, they can indicate on the tape that position, so then the installer can take it to the job site, put it up against the wall, and know exactly where to position the medallions. Let's look at a close-up of the tape itself. The tape itself has 60 feet to a roll and is 2 inches wide. The main grid line is centered, so there's an inch on each side. The grid is 1/4 inch spacing. On the back side is a low stick adhesive, so it will not tear paint from the wall as you're using it to put it on and also remove it to mark the holes. To use this in the workroom, move my tape out of the way. I've got a length of the tape already laid out here. And I did this according to our wall measurement, which I knew in advance was 36 inches for our window off to the side here. So because of that, we can actually lay out the treatment for the 36-inch space, having it swag the way we want it, and then mark where each medallion will go. If you can see that, I'm making a mark with the Sharpie marker here, 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 and here. And that spacing was determined again because I knew the wall was 36 inches and there were 4 medallions, so I just divided it by 3. Next, I would send this treatment and the tape to the installer for him to mount at the job site. So at the job site, the installer can take the tape and peel the backing off it. I'm only going to peel a little bit at a time, just so it's easier to work with. And if I was mounting on this particular wall, I would start on either the left or the right side, press it against the wall, and work my way down to the other end. With the tape on the wall, the installer would now drill through the holes that are marked, remove the tape, and then mount the medallions in those holes and hang the treatment accordingly. And again, that was our grid line tape.